In this video, I'll show you how to create recurring invoices in QuickBooks Online. First, sign into QuickBooks Online on your desktop. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Invoices from the left-hand menu. Next, open an existing invoice or create a new invoice. Enter the customer information, products or services, and the invoice amount. After that, click Make Recurring at the bottom of the invoice page. This will open the recurring invoice setup screen. Now, enter a name for the recurring invoice template. Then choose Scheduled if you want QuickBooks to automatically create and send the invoice. Next, set how often the invoice should be sent. You can choose weekly, monthly, yearly, or another schedule that fits your needs. After that, select the start date and review the invoice details to make sure everything is correct. Now, click Save Template. QuickBooks will automatically generate and send invoices based on the schedule you selected. Finally, if you need to make changes later, go back to Recurring Transactions and edit the template at any time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create recurring invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.